Yo, what's up everyone? It's Abdul. AI is blowing up right now. Every other week there's something new and groundbreaking. We've got ChatGPT changing how we write, Gemini getting crazy good at understanding what we mean, but today we're diving into something potentially even bigger. DeepSeek AI. Is it actually better than the current titans of the AI world? We're talking accuracy, open source power, and features that make you rethink what AI can even. This isn't just about picking a winner, it's about understanding where this technology is headed. So, if you're ready to break down the differences, see some real-world examples, and figure out which AI tool might be right for you, then buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk accuracy. When you're asking an AI a question or asking it to generate something for you, you need to know it's going to give you reliable information. Now both ChatGPT and Gemini are no slouches in this department. They've been trained on massive datasets and can spit out some seriously impressive results. But DeepSeek AI takes a slightly different approach. They've really focused on training their model on more recent and diverse information. Think about it, the world changes fast, new discoveries are made, trends shift, language evolves. DeepSeek AI seems to be all about staying ahead of that curve. I threw some pretty specific questions at all three, stuff that wasn't around a year or two ago, and DeepSeek consistently either knew the answer or was able to give me a more nuanced, up-to-date response. It felt like it was pulling from a wider range of knowledge. It's kind of like the difference between using a search engine that gives you the top results from 5 years ago versus one that's constantly updating to give you the most relevant information. That's the vibe I'm getting from DeepSeek AI. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the open source elephant. One of the biggest things that sets DeepSeek AI apart is that it's open source. ChatGPT and Gemini, they're locked down, proprietary, you can use them, but you can't really see under the hood. DeepSeek AI flips the script. It's like they took the doors off the AI lab and said, come on in, let's build this together. And that is huge, because it means developers, researchers, anyone really can access the source code, tinker with it, customize it, and contribute to its development. Think about the possibilities here. You could have specialized versions of DeepSeek AI for specific industries, for education, for healthcare, you name it. And because it's a community effort, the speed of development and improvement could be insane. This open source approach also has implications for transparency. With ChatGPT and Gemini, you kind of have to trust that they're handling your data responsibly. With DeepSeek AI, because the code is right there, you can see exactly what's happening. Chapter 3, Beyond Words, DeepSeek AI's Multimodal Skills. So far we've mainly talked about text, but AI is evolving beyond just words, and DeepSeek AI is no exception. We're talking multimodal capabilities, the ability to understand and generate not just text, but images and even code. ChatGPT can dabble in this with things like plugins, and Gemini is making strides, but DeepSeek AI takes it to another level. I'm talking about being able to feed it a rough sketch on my tablet and having it generate a high-fidelity image based on that, or even crazier, showing it an example of a website design I like and having it generate the underlying HTML and CSS code for me. Imagine being able to design a website, create marketing materials, even compose music. All with a combination of text prompts and visual input. Now, are these multimodal features perfect? Not yet, but they're surprisingly good. And more importantly, they're constantly improving. This is where I think DeepSeek AI really has a chance to pull ahead of the pack. Chapter 4, Privacy and Security, What Open Source Really Means. Now whenever we're talking about AI, especially AI that's as powerful as what we've been discussing, we have to talk about privacy and security. These are your questions, your data, your creative output. It needs to be handled responsibly. And this is where the open source nature of DeepSeek AI gets really interesting. Because it's not just about transparency in terms of how the AI works, it's also about transparency in how your data is being used. With ChatGPT and Gemini, you're essentially trusting that they're handling your data responsibly, and they both have policies in place, but you don't really know what's happening behind the scenes. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, allows for a different level of control. Because the code is open, you can, in theory, run it locally on your own machine, meaning your data never even has to leave your device. Plus, because the development is open, security vulnerabilities can be identified and patched much faster than with a closed system. Outro DeepSeek AI, the future of AI. So, is DeepSeek AI the best? That depends on your needs. But with its open source nature and powerful features, it's changing the AI game. Its accuracy is impressive, especially with its knowledge of more recent events and information. Plus, the ability to work with not just text, but images and code opens up a whole world of creative possibilities. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.